From the moment a woman receives her diagnosis of breast cancer, she begins an exhausting yet well established journey of treatment for her disease. As the days, weeks, and months of treatment unfold, this intensive treatment regimen, however taxing, provides a sense of security for the patient, knowing that the slightest change in her health status is closely monitored under the watchful eyes of her expert oncology team. The course of active treatment certainly isn't easy, but being surrounded by an expert team and all the resources of the Cancer Center can be comforting during this difficult time. Once active treatment ends, life no longer revolves around the Cancer Center and the activities of a patient. She is now a survivor on her own. Yet stepping away from this nurturing environment and back into her own life can be difficult. Many women feel let down, unsettled, and even a little fearful. Often, women who graduate out of active treatment are left with the question, what next? It can be daunting to launch back into the activities of daily living after breast cancer. And despite a survivor's intent to return to life as it was before cancer, her life has been changed in a way that can make getting back to normal a challenging task. In fact, for some women, it isn't realistic to assume that back to normal is even possible. So many aspects of life are touched and altered by this ordeal, not just a woman's breasts. Making peace with the emotional upheaval breast cancer brings can be difficult. Getting used to a body altered by surgery and treatment takes time. Understanding physical limitations, if any, changes in energy level, range of motion, and how these new facts of life impact family, work, and relationships is a lot to overcome. Dealing with these issues and reshaping life after cancer are the central focus of the Healing After Treatment of Breast Cancer. To move forward into her new life, a breast cancer survivor is faced with building a new normal, adjusting old views, adapting old ways, and adopting a rejuvenated new approach to daily living. This transition from cancer patient to survivor is a journey unto itself. Here at Swedish Cancer Institute, we recognize this healing process as an essential part of cancer treatment. To that end, we offer unique survivorship training called After Breast Cancer, What Next, or ABC for short. ABC is an 8-week survivorship session with an intensive focus on self-care. In it, survivors learn how to examine the aspects of life that are off-kilter as a result of the breast cancer ordeal and identify resources and activities that will bring life back into balance. ABC teaches participants how to make peace with the ordeal of breast cancer treatment, redefine normal and visualize life beyond breast cancer, learn practical skills to rebuild confidence within and gather resources surrounding survivors to support the healing process. Discover the resources needed to support a new life plan. The ABC support group explores how the physical changes of cancer impact the mental, emotional, and spiritual well-being of survivors, something that's difficult to do during active treatment. But taking the much-needed time to process these changes and make peace, survivors can more readily move beyond the fear of recurrence and into the next phase of their lives on their own terms. This curriculum guides women through unsettling feelings about body image, relationships, family, sexuality, work, and finances that often emerge during cancer treatment. Each week is structured as a building block for a survivorship plan. Through group activities and discussions, as well as takeaway tools for home reflection, survivors receive the support needed to create and activate a survivorship plan. Weeks 1 and 2 focus on overcoming the emotional turmoil that linger from the trauma of cancer treatment. In week 3, participants learn essential communication skills to help in renegotiating relationships and building a personal support system to enhance the healing process. Week 4 covers healthy lifestyle practices around quality nutrition and regular exercise as pillars in sustaining physical well-being. Week 5 explores body image, intimacy, and reclaiming sexuality in a body altered by cancer treatment. Central to this rebalancing process are the life assessment and planning tools developed specifically for breast cancer survivors, introduced in weeks 6 through 8. Through them, each woman can explore her new self, new needs, new challenges, and new aspirations. These powerful tools help each survivor build an individualized self-care system that is nourishing and sustainable. But there's more to ABC. It's also about engaging in a nourishing group support experience. ABC helps each participant embrace her new internal resources and build external supports necessary to sustain her after treatment and survivorship training are completed. Thank you for listening to the Plugged Into Your Health Cancer podcast on After Breast Cancer, What's Next? For more information or to register for this group, please go to www.swedish.org/classes or call 206-386-2502.